So the observation is about tomatoes. This tomato we bought 3 weeks ago in the supermarket. Organic tomato from the supermarket. 3 weeks it was in the fridge. Looks as brand new. This tomatoes are from Amish farm.
Amish.
A week old in the same fridge, and they are already going bad. So let's see. Tomato from the store, 3 weeks old. Tomato from the real farm with no preservatives and no spraying stuff, 1 week old. Which tomato should I eat?
Hey,
I think I'll go for this.
Organic is good for people that don't travel.
Yes.
So the moral of the story is travel, eat good, and what?
Brings you to places where there's real food versus organic supermarket food.
Yeah.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Polly likes to shop in tourist traps.
I do. Look at this.
This is actually cool. This is cute, you know.
This is a license plate.
This is not a license. I think it's
It's for the front. It is a license plate.
No, it's not. This is for this is for the house. License plate is different.
A kiss for you. Hershey's
Aww.
milk chocolate
Let's kiss.
kisses.
You only kiss on camera.
Yeah.
I think this is one of the best tours that we ever did.
Yeah.
I think the best ones. Yeah, it was
5
good.
years. Awesome.
Yeah, did they say half an hour?
We said every half an hour.
Every half an hour.
But apparently it runs all the time.
Yeah, but it's worth it. For midnight time,
It's free.
yeah, it's free and it's great. You know,
Nighttime,
Well,
3 to
now you
9.
know the hard work, pride, and joy that comes with it.
so let me close up here. Maybe we need to know. Yeah. Where to find this. Okay, so today we are going to. What are we going to?
We're going to Hershey Gardens.
Hershey Gardens. That's a botanical garden.
Botanical garden.
Botanical garden.
Supposedly all in roses and with butterfly world. And
as good looking as I am. Anyways, so it's a nice ride. It's a pretty ride. So far we like Hershey. It's a very cool place, very nice place. A lot of breweries, a lot of coffee shops. Very hip.
It is hip.
Very hip. Yes.
A lot of young people.
Yes. Which, you know, young people our age though.
Yeah.
Our age.
A little
Consider us
younger
young.
too.
Consider us young.
Oh, we are
And
young.
good looking.
Yeah.
Well, I am good looking, so I don't know about her. But,
Yeah.
you know, I'm good looking. So, anyways, so yeah, Hershey's so far it's a phenomenal place. I like it a lot. I wouldn't live here, but it's a great place to visit.
That's Hershey Gardens right here.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
Now make
Oh,
a right.
sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. So.
See if they're gonna charge us $40 for parking.
Oh yeah, parking here. Oh my God, it's crazy. Okay, parking here is crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, by the way, look, we actually should take a picture of this.
This is nice. view.
Yeah, it's a nice view. So we should take a picture of this actually.
Yeah, we'll
with
take a
the,
picture and we'll come back.
Yeah.
So while he's taking the video of this nice view over here, parking. So last night we went to the Hershey chocolate factory, and it's a combined parking for the factory and for the Hershey Park with the roller coasters. So the prices are like this: if you stay between under 3 hours, they don't charge you for parking. If you stay between 3 and 5 hours, you pay $15. If you stay over 5 hours, you pay $40 for parking. So if you come here to spend the whole day, and usually what people do is they go to the Hershey Park, they do all the rides and spend the whole day in the park, and then at the end they go to the Hershey factory to tour the factory and make their own candy and buy a bunch of candies, and so they pretty much spend the whole day here and they end up paying $40 for parking. So, you know, when you go on the internet and you buy your tickets and you think, and they have specials sometimes on the tickets to the Hershey World, and you think, oh my God, you know, it's not that expensive. Like right now they were running a promotion, you can buy an adult ticket for a kid price. So it was about 30% off the ticket, and the ticket for the full day came out to like $43. So you're thinking, oh my God, $43 is not that much compared to Disney World or, you know, Epcot or Legoland. But then when you get here and you spend the whole day, you pay $40 on top of it. So that was a kind of a surprise to us, which I didn't expect the parking to be $40. Especially in Disney World, it's $20.
Miss,
Yes.
can I have $1?
No.
Can I have $1, sister?
No, no dollar.
Can you take a picture? See? No?
No.
It's very nice.
Just do
Come on.
Nice
Right
here.
there.
It seems like
I'm
there's
gonna-
nobody in these gardens. Now
nobody.
I wonder if these gardens are any good.
gardens. We saw the gardens, checked it out, blah blah blah. Great and dandy. It's good for pastime. I don't know. Everything's been hyped up so much that, you know, I don't know. I think that we been better. You know?
Yes.
But
we've
it's
seen better.
Yeah, we've seen better. But it's good pastime. Very good thing. So
And it was too hot.
it was very hot. Yeah. So
Now we're going for a...
yeah, we're not going. We going to check out a brewery. We're gonna look at it. We're going to try to film it, you know, for our records. But in no way, shape, or form, you know, Polina's not gonna drink.
No,
Right.
I'm not
So,
drinking.
I'll
get a lemonade.
Yeah, we get lemonade. So we do brewery. Okay, Polina's version of brewery and alcohol. So go ahead.
That's not my version. He said he tried the orange beer, which he said, oh, it's like water.
Sorry.
I said the only reason why it looks like this is because it's flat. If I would have a little more bubbles, this is that beer with the bubbles, it would be absolutely fine. But because it doesn't have as many bubbles, it's a little flat, it's like soda.
Fanta. Fanta something.
Excuse me, miss. Where are you going? Pickleball? It's pickleball. It's early.
is to be roughing it in our world of RV and motorhoming. Just made coffee for Polly. Polly's coffee. My coffee. What we do is we do café de leche. It's a Latin. It's basically coffee with milk and sugar, but you have to make it in a certain way. I think the best way to make it is in a professionally plumbed espresso maker, and I think we're the only YouTubers that have a professional espresso maker, espresso machine in the RV. So anyway, so let me introduce you to our bizarre machine. And this is how we make a coffee in the morning. Oh, that's a little bit spoiled. What do you think? Oh my God. Life is so tough. Then again, it's BVX Family. Oh, it's so good.